Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I am going to show you how to use WhatsApp on your laptop. Before we start the video, I would like to ask you to please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button. So let us get started. First of all, we need to open the Microsoft Store. From there, search for WhatsApp. Then, open the WhatsApp application and install it. Now wait until the installation process is complete. After the installation is completed, just minimize this tab and click on the Start button. As you can see, I have WhatsApp here, but if you do not find it here, just type WhatsApp in the search bar and you will find it. After that, right-click on it and click on Pin to Taskbar. Now you will find it easily on your taskbar. Next, open WhatsApp from the taskbar and click on Login. After that, you will see a QR code on the screen. Now what you need to do is go to your phone screen and open the WhatsApp account that you want to use on your laptop. Then tap on the three dots from the top right corner and go to Linked Devices. After that, click on Link a Device and tap on OK. Now scan the QR code shown on your laptop screen. That is it. As you can see, it is logging in. Here, click on Continue. Now you can use your WhatsApp account on your laptop without any problem. So friends, this is the way you can easily install and use WhatsApp on your laptop. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button on this video. Thanks for watching this video.